Nakaka-proud po na ganung edad pa lang po sila pero malalim na po yung pananampalataya nila tsaka yung pag-unawa nila sa aral ng Diyos.
Actually, nakaka-amaze yung sagot ng mga bata kasi nga even in terms of conversing in English, talagang nasasagot nila ng ganun kabilis kahit di pa tapos yung tanong.
Mabuti po para sa bata po ang malaman nila ang salita ng Diyos hanggang sa kanilang paglaki po. Para hindi sila maligaw ng landas, maganda yung pamumuhay nila sa paglaki nila.
I am very happy and I am very thankful for God because He has helped me to give me the knowledge that I needed, and without Him I will not do this on my own, but with Him this is very possible. And thank you so much to God and to church administration as well.
I am grateful to see them and to realize that the church administration is preparing each one of us. Dun pa lang sa kamusmusan, they are being taught to hold on firmly to their faith, stand on firmly to their faith. Ito nakikita na po natin na yung kinabukasan ng iglesia talagang masisecure po natin. Ito yung kinabukasan nila. Ngayon pa lang marunong na sila. So nakakatuwa. Yun po yung pakiramdam ko.